Germany is often associated with precision engineering and automotive excellence, but beneath the surface lies a digital architecture that keeps the world running. Today, we examine three companies that define the German tech landscape: SAP, Infineon, and Siemens. These organizations have evolved from humble beginnings into global leaders, setting the standards for enterprise software, semiconductor manufacturing, and industrial automation. By understanding their history and their strategic pivots, we gain a clearer picture of how German innovation continues to influence the global economy. Join us as we look at the companies that bridge the gap between the physical and the digital world, driving efficiency and progress across every major industrial sector on the planet. Our story begins in 1972, in Weinheim, Germany. 5 former IBM employees shared a bold vision for the future of business computing. They recognized that the existing systems were inefficient for managing complex enterprise data across international borders. This led to the birth of SAP. Their goal was simple yet revolutionary: to create a system that could process data in real time. This ambition would eventually transform how businesses operate globally. By focusing on integrated software solutions, these founders laid the groundwork for what would become the world's most dominant enterprise software company. Their commitment to innovation and efficiency would soon disrupt the status quo, proving that a small group of determined engineers could fundamentally change the global corporate landscape. In 1979, SAP launched the R/2 system, a breakthrough that enabled real-time data processing across international borders. It was a massive leap forward for multinational corporations struggling with disjointed data. However, the true turning point came in the 1990s with the introduction of the R/3 system. This platform established SAP's absolute dominance in the client-server architecture market. By providing a unified interface for finance, logistics, and human resources, SAP became the backbone of the modern corporation. Companies worldwide began to rely on SAP's infrastructure to manage their most critical operations. This era solidified the company's reputation for reliability and scalability, setting a high bar for competitors and cementing its status as an indispensable partner for enterprises everywhere. As the digital landscape shifted toward the cloud, SAP faced the challenge of modernization. To remain relevant, the company embarked on a strategic transition, acquiring firms like SuccessFactors and Ariba in 2011. These acquisitions were not merely expansions, they were fundamental shifts in SAP's business model toward cloud-based computing. By embracing the cloud, SAP ensured that its clients could access their data and tools from anywhere in the world, fostering a more connected and agile business environment. This pivot was essential for maintaining market leadership in an increasingly mobile and decentralized world. The move demonstrated SAP's ability to adapt its core philosophy to the demands of the modern era, ensuring that its software remained the industry benchmark. The next major milestone arrived in 2015 with the launch of SAP S/4HANA. Built on the powerful HANA database, this intelligent ERP suite represented a massive technological leap for the company. It allowed for unprecedented speed in data analysis and decision-making, enabling businesses to process massive amounts of information instantly. Today, SAP manages an incredible 77% of the world's transaction revenue. This statistic highlights the sheer scale of SAP's influence on the global economy. From supply chains to payroll, SAP systems are the invisible threads holding international commerce together. As we look at the company today, it is clear that its commitment to intelligent, data-driven solutions continues to define the future of enterprise management and global operational efficiency. While SAP dominated software, another giant was emerging from the hardware sector. In 1999, Infineon Technologies AG was formed as a spin-off from the industrial conglomerate Siemens AG. This move was strategic, allowing Infineon to focus entirely on the rapidly growing semiconductor industry. From its inception, Infineon aimed to specialize in power systems and the Internet of Things, focusing on the critical intersection of the real and digital worlds. By narrowing its focus, the company was able to dedicate its resources to high-performance chips that would eventually power everything from household appliances to complex automotive systems. This specialization proved to be a winning strategy, positioning Infineon as a vital player in the global electronics supply chain. Infineon's expertise lies in power semiconductors, a field where it is now the global market leader. These chips are essential for energy-efficient power conversion, a technology that is increasingly important in our modern, electrified world. Whether it is in renewable energy systems or the latest electric vehicles, Infineon's components are at work. Automotive giants like Volkswagen and BMW rely on Infineon's power conversion chips to ensure their vehicles operate efficiently and safely. By prioritizing quality and innovation, Infineon has become an essential link in the automotive supply chain. Their ability to deliver high-performance hardware at scale has made them a cornerstone of modern industrial technology, proving that even the smallest components can have a massive global impact. In 2020, Infineon took a major step to solidify its market position by acquiring Cypress Semiconductor. This acquisition was designed to strengthen Infineon's presence in the automotive and industrial markets, two sectors where demand for advanced semiconductors is skyrocketing. By integrating Cypress's capabilities, Infineon expanded its portfolio of EOT and connectivity solutions. This move allowed the company to offer a more comprehensive suite of hardware for the next generation of smart devices and autonomous vehicles. The acquisition was a clear signal of Infineon's intent to remain at the forefront of the semiconductor revolution. It demonstrated the company's commitment to growth and its proactive approach to capturing new opportunities in an increasingly complex and interconnected digital landscape. We cannot discuss German tech without mentioning the titan that started it all, Siemens AG. Founded in 1847, Siemens has a history spanning over a century and a half. Throughout its long existence, the company has constantly reinvented itself to stay relevant. In recent years, Siemens underwent a massive structural transformation. By divesting its healthcare and energy divisions, the company has narrowed its focus to digital industries and smart infrastructure. This shift represents a strategic pivot toward the future of industrial automation. By shedding legacy businesses, Siemens has cleared the path to focus on the technologies that will define the next century: digitalization, artificial intelligence, and the seamless integration of physical and digital industrial processes. In 2022, Siemens launched the Accelerator platform, a milestone in its quest to accelerate digital transformation for its customers. This platform provides an open ecosystem that integrates hardware, software, and services, making it easier for companies to adopt new technologies. The goal of Accelerator is to break down the silos that often hinder industrial progress, allowing for more collaboration and faster innovation. By providing a unified platform, Siemens is helping manufacturers modernize their operations and respond more quickly to market demands. This initiative reflects Siemens' commitment to being not just an equipment provider, but a partner in the digital journey of its clients, helping them navigate the complexities of the modern industrial landscape with confidence and efficiency. One of the most impressive technologies utilized by Siemens is the concept of the digital twin. This allows companies to simulate manufacturing processes in a virtual environment before a single physical component is produced. By creating a digital replica of a factory or a machine, engineers can test and optimize processes, saving time and reducing waste. Furthermore, Siemens is integrating artificial intelligence and edge computing directly into its programmable logic controllers. This brings intelligence to the factory floor, allowing machines to make real-time decisions and to optimize their own performance. These advancements are not just incremental, they are fundamental changes to how we think about production, making manufacturing smarter, faster, and more sustainable than ever before. As we have seen, the strength of German technology lies in its diversity and its deep integration across sectors. From SAP's software backbone to Infineon's semiconductor power and Siemens' industrial automation, these companies create a powerful ecosystem that drives global innovation. They have shown that by focusing on precision, reliability, and strategic adaptation, it is possible to maintain leadership in a rapidly changing world. These companies are not just historical relics, they are active participants in the digital future. As we look ahead, the collaboration between these giants will continue to shape how we work, travel, and produce. Germany's tech powerhouses remain a testament to the enduring power of engineering excellence and the pursuit of technological progress.